Welcome, Timberwolves. It is week 28 of the 2021-22 school year. I was just looking at the weeks remaining on our calendar, our school calendar, and there are 39 weeks in the school calendar, and we're at 28, so we are starting to narrow it down to the end. And as we get closer to the end of the school year, I want to remind parents again that testing goes on through the month of March and April, and we want to make sure that our students are receiving a good breakfast every morning and that they are going to bed early and getting plenty of rest at night so that when they come to school they can perform at their best. That's not to say that every student is testing every day through the months of March and April. It's just saying that we have tests scheduled throughout those 2 months. And so different grade levels are taking tests at different times during March and April. Today is Maintenance Appreciation Day. As I've said many, many times, and I'll say it again, it takes everyone on this campus to do their job in order to make everything run smoothly. And so I want to thank all of our men and women that work in the maintenance positions here on campus for the work that they do. This year, Miss Brianna Goodman started the Classified Employee of the Year, and that was selected by all of the other employees, faculty and staff on campus. And this year's winner was Miss Jennifer Copeland, who is the administrative assistant. She was very surprised, and I think she received some balloons and some candy and a cake, and was honored with receiving that award this year. She was a good candidate for the first year as a Classified Employee of the Year. I also want to congratulate Miss Latasha Carroll from the preschool, Miss Carol Woods from the elementary, and Miss Rhea Jennings from the high school. All three of those teachers have been nominated as Teacher of the Year for their building. After we come back from spring break, then one of those employees will be selected as the Teacher of the Year for the entire district. For Dr. Seuss's birthday, our early childhood and our elementary students had fun dressing up and doing activities. They dressed up for Pajama Day, wore Green Day, Wacky Wednesday, and more. And the cafeteria even served green eggs and ham. My grandson, who is in kindergarten, when he went through the line for breakfast on that particular morning, decided that he was having cereal because he did not like green eggs and ham. He thought something was wrong with the eggs. Our next baseball game is this evening here at Cedar Ridge, and our junior high and our senior high baseball teams will be playing Newport beginning at 4:30. Thank you for joining me, and I'll talk to you next week.